The house was from the 1905 exhibition, which was held right across the street in Queen's Park. So we've got photos of the house being on display in the park. The houses are prefab homes of 1905. They were built by the BC Timber Mills Company. So it was the big deal of the time. You know, prefab modular housing has finally come to the Lower Mainland. The roof that was on there, we put that on in 1988, I guess. So we reshingled it ourselves. What we noticed was we were getting holes, you know, birds were pecking at the cedar. And with that, we thought, you know, we got to start looking for a new roof. So we just started looking around. Our neighbors across the street have a steel roof. My wife had mentioned the aluminum roof, you know, and we've seen them around and how attractive they look. This was an expensive roof, no doubt about it, but it looks the best. And it's the cleanest, it has great clean lines. It's always going to stay clean. The guys that were doing the work, actually, they were impressive. They showed up on Labor Day weekend to kind of finish off some things. And I said to the one, I forget his name, and I asked him, I said, you know, it's Labor Day. And he said to me, he says, well, today's Labor Day, so we going to do labor. They were really good. You know, I would have put this on 30 years ago had I really knew about it. I would have definitely done it sooner so I could have got my money's worth. It's an expensive roof, but you know, you get what you pay for. You know, we were extremely happy.